It's easy to impress a girl with words. But if you know, here's what you need to learn when it comes to knowing how to attract women without talking to them. That's an art form worth mastering. Today we're showing you 19 ways on how to attract women without talking. Watch this video to the end and learn 19 traits of this video. Let's start. Number 1. Attract women with your looks. If you want women to see you, take the time to dress well. Wearing it always makes a big impact. You do not need expensive clothes to attract women with your looks. What you really want is to show women that you are a man who lives their lives together. Sweatpants and flip-flops at home and attract women by wearing well-fitting, clean, wrinkle-free dresses. A pair of sharp-looking shoes, trimmed nails, and well-managed hair will greatly help women to look at you in a positive way. Number 2. Choose your own best perfume. Different odors affect social judgment, interaction, and even behavior. No wonder how someone's smell affects whether you want to be near them or not. If chosen wisely, it will also add to human attraction. You might like your cologne and go see if it attracts more than your nose and get another girl's idea. If it is good, you will attract them to a flower like bees. This is a great way to attract a girl without saying anything. Number 3. Walk next to her, then walk away. Now is the time for your entry with a twist. If you can, add the eye touch for a moment and go near her. Then stop before you reach her. You can do this somewhere like a table to put your drink on the floor or a snack. Or maybe say goodbye to someone else on the way. After this moment, go back to where you were before or somewhere else in the room not too far away. This girl will see you. If you do it by walking around with her regularly, she may end up talking to you, and you may be the first person to break the ice because you are always next to her. Number 4. Your shared interests. You are not going to find all her tastes without talking to her. But if you go to the bar where she is, you already know one thing she likes. Or if it's a concert, you already know she's involved in that band. Attract women to you because you are in the same place as them. It's always nice to see someone who enjoys things like you. Number 5. Before we begin, if you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. Don't miss anything in future video. And comment down below "I subscribed" so we can welcome you. Number 5. Make your body language attractive. Women can say a lot about you only through your body language. If you want to show the confidence that women can attract you, then you need to make sure that your body language is important. To show confident body language that attracts women, be sure to stand tall, as if a spinal cord were being pulled up through the crown of your head. Keep your shoulders back and relaxed, raise your head and smile. You can further show confidence in body language by avoiding excessive movement and agility. As you walk, move with purpose and direction. Controlling your body language helps women to become the powerful, confident men they need. Number 6. Smile. When it comes to how to attract women without talking, laughter is one of the most important factors. A smile is worth 1,000 words. A smile makes you feel non-threatening, warm and friendly, all that appeals to women. If you have to smile first, it also expresses confidence. Another trait that women want in their male counterparts. A smile makes you easily accessible and looks good. Women are more likely to flirt and talk to you if you are dressed with a smile. Number 7. Eye contact. The most important part of attracting women without talking is having quality eye contact with women. When you meet a woman, grab her gaze and give her a warm smile. Having eye contact shows women's confidence. The smile shows her that you are a warm, friendly boy. Now, if you are restless, it can be difficult to maintain warm, trusting eye contact with women. To alleviate that anxiety, there are 2 things you can do. First, when touching eyes with a woman, take a deep breath into your stomach. This will help you relax. Second, warm your eyes and invite women with a smile in your eyes. Do you know how your eyes feel after you smile hard? When your gaze is warm, relaxed, and open. This is the feeling you need when looking to attract eye-catching women. Your eye contact shows her whether you really like her or not. The power of the eyes is rooted. If so, it's not surprising that it can be a major tool in capturing your attention. Having eye contact with her is a good way to show respect and trust. So, if you really want her, touch her eyes. Number 8. Monitor your posture. If this girl wants to date you with a question mark, she will be reluctant to do so. If she wants to date a man she trusts, you need to start straight. Proper posture not only makes you attractive, but also enhances your health and confidence. Notice how you walk, stand, and sit. Push those shoulders back and tilt your chin up, even when talking to others or alone. You will be amazed at how many more looks you get, in a good way anyway. Number 9. Sit close to her. Make room for you to get attention wherever you are. Walk to different parts of the room to show that you control the environment. Leave to cool for fresh air or in the bathroom, then go back. If you cannot help her to see you everywhere, she is more likely to be attracted to you. This is what most superpowers do, letting others know they are there. Number 10. Show that you are friendly with others. Even if your friend's approval is good, how you treat strangers is more important when it comes to a girl's attention. She will choose even if you choose others. Always help to stay in touch with the people and friends around you. This does not mean that you hear a bee swarming from nest to nest, or that you are interfering with every conversation you. Here be friendly, genuine, and kind in your interactions, then she will surely see. This is a great way to attract a girl without saying anything. Number 11. Fix your dress. No matter how small or insignificant you may think, women see everything you do. When you are next to her, she will see if you are adjusting your clothes, and doing this will easily indicate that you are interested in her because you are shaping yourself to look stunning and attractive. Not only does it show you that you care about your appearance, it also prevents her from guessing whether you are interested or not. And the whole point is this. Number 12. Get your friends to excite you. Boys usually travel in packs with their close friends. Use this to your advantage and excite your other friends by seeing the girl you want to attract. They can inspire you to do what you say, do, or whatever you choose. Things that are not as important as how. Make sure they use their enthusiasm and high volume to project you into the best. This creates social evidence, and when you have social evidence, you will get the girl's attention. Number 13. Let women see you through social evidence. Social evidence is a good way to stand out and get women to pay attention to you. Being around you with women, especially attractive women, proves that you are the type of man who wants to be around women. The other women in the place will be amazed at what these women want to be with you. It automatically makes women curious about you, interested in you, and sometimes a little jealous that they are not included. For more information on how to attract women with social evidence. Number 14. Lick and touch your lips. As for how to subtly attract women, this tip is king. You converse with her and you feel while trembling and briefly touch your lips. This action can be a gentle tapping or a short slip of your fingers. It draws attention to your mouth, and if she is interested, kisses you and calls out images that kind of motivate her further. She will think about kissing them with a low gesture towards your lips. Number 15. Nonverbal jokes with women. A great way to start a conversation with women. But there is more to joking than just using funny lines. There are also nonverbal ways for women to make jokes with women who are interested in you. For example, if you've met a woman and want to turn things around with a little joke, the best thing to do is simply make funny faces at her. Have fun and play, stick out your tongue, cross your eyes, make any silly face you feel. It is a great way to make a girl smile, and from then on, it will be easier to reach out to the woman to start a conversation with her. Number 16. Always stand bold. Much can be inferred from observing how someone stands. In order to attract women, you need to have a stance that signifies confidence and strength. So here's how you should stand up. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Lock the back of your shoulders as we mentioned above. This will help you look bigger. Pretend your shirt is still hanging in the closet. Keep your chin up and, as far as possible, your hands on your sides. Putting it all together, you not only stand out, but also get a deadly pose. But you do nothing else and the girls will come to your side. Number 17. Play your hand. Whatever you do, always try to look open or accessible. An easy way to do this, keep your palms slightly exposed. Like other ways on how to attract women without talking, we share with you today. Showing your hand to a girl is perfect to calm her down and win her attention without saying anything. Now that doesn't mean you have to stand with your arms outstretched, because it might be a little weird, but you can work with open, hand-raised gestures when you speak or interact. If so, you will have girls who are naturally gravitational towards you. Number 18. The welcome walk. So it's a wonderful day and you're going for a cool walk through the park. You can see this person walking, but his head is down and in his pocket. What might be your first impression of this person? Of course, he is stressed or depressed, and more importantly, he is out of reach. If you want to look accessible, pull your chest out and bring your shoulders back. This pose shows what makes a woman more attractive: confidence. It's so easy. Number 19. Show your best self. If you want to attract a woman, show your best spirit, because if you do not think women are watching, you are wrong. We do not look at you directly, but we look at you. So when you want to attract a woman, show your best side to the room, because trust me, we will see.